door here.
Wait. You have to check who it is. Who do you think it is, Alyan?
The box.
You think it's a package?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check. It's our it's a...
Wow.
Oh, look, it's a car. We have to go get it. We can try it out. But I wonder who brought it to us. Let's go open it over here. So we got this car. Who do you think gave it to us? I think it might be Uncle. Who do you think?
Uncle.
Uncle too? Okay. But isn't the car so cool?
Yeah.
It's like, I think it's a Cadillac. Yeah, it says right here, Cadillac. So it's a few hours later we charged it. So Alyan, you want to try it first?
Yes.
So can you share with me? Because sharing is caring.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Remember, Alyan, sharing is always caring.
Okay.
Okay. I just noticed that it says, I just noticed it says try me here. So, like maybe, yeah. So it does like a car sound when you press it. It's a very cool car, but now let's go test it out. Ready? I won't go too fast. 3, 2, 1. Okay, Alyan, go. Do it. Try it. Not working? Not done. Why is it not working now? Yes. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Oh no.
Yes.
So, can I try it now? Serious? Thank you. Let's go outside right now. Did you hear that?
Yeah, what's that?
Let's go check it out.
Are you expecting something else?
If Alyan got a gift, what about me? So, let's go check. Alyan decided you want to join us?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open the drawer. I hope this is a present for me. Wait. It's another truck, but it's for me probably. Yes! Yay! Open the door, I want it. Open the door for me. Oh, you should always help with people. Okay, come on, Alyan, let's go. Okay, so we were just about to try this, but first we have to open this one because it looks super awesome. Let's try to open it. What did we open?
Are you excited?
Oh, I found it. But doesn't this car look cool?
Yeah.
Are you excited to open it, even though it's for me?
Yes.
Okay, let's check it out.
Wow.
Wait, guys, I noticed something. If you come closer, you can see these wheels are like they circles. They're individual parts. So that probably means it goes super fast.
No.
And then since you share with me, I'll also share with you. Okay?
Okay.
So let's bring it out. Ugh. Oh no, it's hard to get out. Wait, is there something on the bottom attaching it, I think?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's these little things. You have to get these out. Get this out. Oh no, this one's not coming. Oh, it's out now. And the last one out. And I think now we can take it out. Yeah.
It is.
Yeah. Now we have to take out the remote for ours. C card. I think we already need scissors. Okay. Thank you all for bringing it. And our sister Amsal decided to join in. Say hi, Amsal. Hi. Oh. Now let's get this remote out. Cut around it. I think we can pull it out. Okay, so it is our C card. This is our C remote.
No.
I actually do not know what these buttons are for. We'll find out. Okay. So, wait, we forgot to put the batteries. Let's go put.
Yes. You want that coffee? Mama, I'm pretending no.
Are you teaching Amsal? You can teach her outside.
So guys, we got the batteries for here. We needed double A's, 2 of them to be exact. So let's insert them. 1 and then 2. So once I do them, where did the cover go?
Right here.
Oh, I found it. Never mind. All good. And then put this in. If I could actually. Okay. Once I put this in, so we have to charge. Wait. Yeah. So there's this battery. You have to charge it. So we're gonna be back in maybe in a few hours. So we'll see you. Remember, we already put the batteries for this remote. But we didn't put the batteries for this, so let's put those in right now. So I think we connect it like that. So you connect it. This is kind of hard to connect it, but I'll still do it. Okay, so I got it in. Once I did that, I have to just keep it in there somehow. So I have to put it under. Wait, how would I do that? So you have to do that. Okay, so it was actually kind of fun doing this, but I think it's done now. So let's flip it over and let's go try this thing out. So let's go try this out. So how do I turn this on? Okay, right. How do I turn this on? Maybe one of these buttons? No, they don't work. Oh, it's right here. I found it. So this is, oopsies. This is on. Now we have to turn the car on. On? Now let's go try it out. Okay,
Not wait.
let's go. Okay, so this is it. Let's try it out. I think I went a little too fast. Okay? We're gonna take it outside, but it was raining right now, so maybe in an hour or two, we'll see you in the window. We're gonna race, but not right now because it would just rain, so we have to let it kind of dry. So, but once it's dry, we can go outside and race our 2 cars. Yeah. Did you hear that? Did you hear the doorbell?
Yeah, my
Let's go
toy
see
here.
what it was. I think it's gonna be a toy because we always get random toys.
No, I get him.
This time it's a bow. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna become the best archer. Huh? I'm holding the door for you. I got it enough.
I got him.
Okay, so where should we do that?
But
Over here? I remember we have some type of board where it was for darts, but we can use it for a bow instead. I'll go get it. Actually, I'm super excited because we actually found this, and let's play a game. A quick 5-minute challenge. First one to get we're gonna have 3 bow shots. First one to get whoever has the most points at the end wins the whole challenge. Okay? Okay. But first we have to unbox this. So we need to take it out with the string. Okay, so we got the bow. Yeah. The thing that holds the arrows. And the arrows.
yeah.
So the arrows, we can put the arrows in here. Okay, let's start our challenge. But I'm actually super excited. So where should we put this? Let's start the challenge. Wait.
Oh.
You get right here. Okay. You got 3 shots. Whoever gets the most points wins. Okay, no points. You should. You should actually get some points, because if you don't get some points, even if I get 10 points, I'm still gonna win. So try your best.
I see this.
Oh, so what happened?
This.
I don't know, it's not working.
I missed.
Oh. Wait, so if you don't make 100, or like maybe something on this one, then I could win even with one shot made. Even if it says 10, which is for information on the lowest point.
Oh.
Who's gonna be the winner here?
Who's gonna be the winner? But I'll let you go up close. And you still missed it. So you have 0 points. All I have to do is make one. All I have to do is make one. That's all I have to do. Or else it's a tie. And then we have to end it off.
Don't
with
forget
a
the
battle.
rules.
Rock,
Step
paper,
back.
scissors.
Step back.
Okay. Step back. And then... Oh wait, am I doing it? I'm doing it upside down. See. I missed that one. I'll get that one. I only have 2 more tries. So let's use those 2 tries. So then one, hold it like this. So I'm gonna try this hand this time. That's one. Okay, it didn't even shoot. That doesn't count. Let me try again. So this one.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, that went too far. I need to get. No! Wait, did that hit?
No.
Oh, dang it. I feel like that hit though. Fine. There's a practice a lot because clearly we're not the best of the best. But now we have to end it off with a rock, paper, scissors because we both got 0 points. I see quickly? Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, no, I got scissors too. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I crush your scissors. I win the battle!
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.